Everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing well. Today I'm going to discuss about a couple of DMVs which is introduced in a SQL Server 2016. Okay, as we all aware, we should having the list of DMVs in our bucket so that our task will be easier. So before starting the session, I would request to each and everyone whoever newly joined on my channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share with others as well. And I have seen the analytics of my channel. People are watching my videos but not subscribed yet, so please do subscribe the channel. Okay, let me start. So I have created a very nice document to DMV. So today I'm going to discuss about the 5 new SQL Server DMVs which is introduced in SQL Server 2016. Okay, the first one is this is the monitoring the wait statics, the session wait stat. Okay, so what this DMV basically is doing, actually this is very helpful actually. So you can now you have the option to extract the report of particular session ID, wait stat or wait time and all. So if you can see here an example, the session ID 53. Okay, so I can we can see here the inner reports. We have extracted the reports, the whatever the particular session ID 53 having the statics wait times or the log counts and all. Okay, so through this DMV we can pull the reports for the particular session ID. Okay, the next one is DMV for the monitoring scalar user defined function. This is also very much helpful. Okay, so now we have option to pull the data for user defined function. Okay, so we can use this DMV execute function stats. Okay, the third one is DMV for the monitoring stretch database. This is something very much interesting, as we all aware stretch database. So I will create one video of stretch database also later, but as of now you can see stretch database something like you are sending the data to Azure cloud. Okay, so it's a kind of application. You are storing the data from the local database to Azure cloud. Okay, so for that migration and all, we have one DMV. You can use this DMV to see the status and all everything, how much time it's taking, when it's replicated, and everything you will get based on this DMV. Okay, so this is also introduced in 2016. Okay, for the stretch database. So RDA migration status, this is the DMV. Okay, this is also useful. And the fourth one is monitoring the column store index. Okay, this is also very much interesting thing. I have already created one video about the column store index. You can visit the my video, what is the column store index. So 2016 they have introduced one DMV that is called column store object pools. Okay, so this DMV basically giving the exact information about your the hardware, the memory used in bytes. So what are the column index is using, how much percentage of memory and all. So you will get the exact overview. I have created I have taken the small snapshot here, but you can use it, you will get the exact overview. Okay, so this is also introduced in 2016. And the fifth one is again it's a column store index only, but this is basically introduced in 2014 only, but here it's in a 2016 they have applied some additional values in the same DMV. Okay, so that's the reason it's like the function catalog is updated in 2016, but it's introduced in 2014 only, but the improvement happened in 2016. So now we can get the more details with the help of this DMV. Okay, so well, that's all for today. I have discussed top 5 DMVs which is introduced in a SQL Server 2016. All are very useful. You can use it, you can remember it every time, it will be helpful. This DMV basically very much helpful to identify the particular session ID stats details, statics report. You can get it from this DMV very much easily. Okay, so well, that's it for today. I will meet soon to you guys. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and please do subscribe the channel.